In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can call someone here on Instagram. Before you dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to respond to every single comment. But if you want to call someone on Instagram, all you really need to do is first open up Instagram, and then from the home section, you're going to want to click on the little message icon up in the top right to go to your messages. Now, from here, you can either start a new chat with whoever you want to go ahead and call, or you can go into a chat with one of the people that you're currently DMing in this case. So go ahead and select on that chat. And as you can see up in the very top right, you're going to have a bunch of different settings. There's going to be a little shop setting, there's going to be a little FaceTime setting, and then of course there's also going to be a little phone setting. Simply go ahead and select on that phone setting just like so, and it's going to begin making that call. What's cool about this is it doesn't really matter which device people are on, and on top of that, they don't actually need a phone number in order to go ahead and do this. So it's a great way to call people who maybe don't have a phone number yet, but really it is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.